Why do I do this to myself every fucking time? Oh, fucking hell.
That was me, Sunny, and welcome to our riding journey in Indian Himalayas, a motorcycling adventure 3,000 kilometers long across 6 North Indian states and some of the highest mountain passes in the world. The team I was with had 16 individuals from the Netherlands whose on-road biking experience ranged from 6 months to decades, but off-road experience? Not so much.
I don't fail.
After months of planning, battling through corona pandemic, ever-changing country regulations, and last-minute flight cancellation, eventually motor gods answered our prayers.
Namaste.
With great enthusiasm, but a little idea of what actually lied ahead of us, we together embarked on this adventure. So come along and experience the ride with us, as it's time to head to Amsterdam and get on a plane headed for Delhi.